I got you a gift and you cannot even give me a thank you kiss?
A promise you made by yourself. Not like I forced you. All I did was to ask. You could have just said no, I will not. And you would have used that same beautiful opportunity to get out of my life, realizing that I am not the woman for you. Did I force you?
That is going to easily set you off, right? Huh?
Oh my God. Thank you, blessed. Please accept my heartfelt apology. Can you see this? An apology that cost a fortune. Oh my God, I think he likes me.
No, he does not. He pities you. Blessing, you're just a cleaner that is trying so hard to get his attention like a dog without a master.
You sound so bitter right now. You must be jealous, right?
Oh, yes, I'm very jealous. Very, very jealous. Blessing, I got you a gift. You cannot accept another man's gift. If you do, it means you're cheating on me.
Hey, wait a minute. You must be dreaming of something right now because you've lost it completely. Listen to yourself, like, look at yourself. Did I force you? Oh, just because you got me an iPhone doesn't give you that right. Okay? Yes.
Listen, do you realize I emptied my accounts for you?
There you go again.
Getting you a gift makes you my woman. You know what? Where's the gift? Give it back. Return it.
I should return it?
Yes.
Look at how bossy you sound right now and you want to date me. Listen, I can never be your woman. Not in this world. Nothing will make that happen. Yes. Yes. Can never happen. And as for that gift that I did not ask you, by yourself, just to give to me. I'm not returning it. You don't get to call that shot. I do. Okay? Your gift is gone. Yes, I made that call. Go hug a transformer.
She say material.
What happened? Why are you crying?
He's planning to leave me. Samuel is planning to dump me. Can you imagine me?
Why would he do that? You've done so much for him already, so why would he do that?
No, right? But I guess it's not enough. I've done these things for Samuel, but it's not enough. Could you believe that I saw him in a car today with a woman? I waved at him and he ignored me, making me look like a stranger.
I'm sorry I laughed, but this is actually very funny, you know? But at the same time, heartbreaking. Because you see why I keep telling you that you can never have peace when you clothe, feed a guy, you can never, ever, ever have peace. Now, look at you. You feel threatened right now because you feel he might find someone bigger than you and then dump you for the person. Exactly like what just happened. You saw him in another woman's car and he acted like you do not exist.
God. Oh my head is aching right now. Like, what point are you trying to make?
Look at you. A pretty damsel like you, like, babe, you dey look yourself. Do you actually know how you look? A proper figure eight, natural babe is here crying over a man, a useless boy for that matter, that you clothe and feed? Make it make sense. Dump him before he dumps you. That's it. Dump him. You need a man, a man that everything about you, your total well-being will be his priority, not the other way around.
Listen, you know, I love this guy so much. I love him. I can't leave him. I love him. I can't let him go.
Unfortunately, girlfriend, love isn't enough. Yeah, love isn't enough. We deserve a better life. A life free of calculation. Yes. Look around us. This whole place smells and looks like what? Poverty. We deserve something better. Allow me to teach you the way to a better and new life. That's what you need.
And how is that possible? How do we achieve that? How is it possible?
I love that question. Look at me. Trap the heart of a rich man.
Just leave me. I love him so much.
Mike.
Yes, so how do I look?
You look like you're going to make some ladies fall and drool all over you. Very smart. A handsome boss.
You don't have to call me that when we are alone. It feels weird.
Well, I want you to get used to it. I can't call you by your name when I'm just your driver. Remember?
We've lived together in the States,
Mm-hmm.
like brothers.
Yes.
Such honorifics shouldn't exist between us. Shouldn't at all.
We'll drop it a notch in private. But out there, you're the boss and I need to accord you your respect. So please, get used to it, boss.
Okay, I give up. I guess there's no winning you on this one.
Of course.
So, lead the way.
No. You're the boss.
Okay. All right.
Ciara, from what I've taught you so far, how do you spot a rich man?
By their wristwatches, their gold necklace, they wear nice clothes, and they live in mansions, and
No.
a lot.
No, not at all. Not at all. So it means you've not been paying attention to all I've been saying. Right? That's it. If you are saying by those things, how then can you be able to differentiate between the rich and the borrowed man?
Right, because they can actually borrow these things, so.
Exactly.
And they will be posing. You're right. Let me jot it down.
You've not said. How to spot a rich man? I won't repeat myself. This is the last time.
How do I spot a rich man? Tell me.
Listen very attentively. Don't make me repeat myself because I won't do that.
Yes.
Number one way to spot a rich man is they speak different foreign languages. Want to know why?
Why?
That is because a rich man is a well-traveled man. An international one. He's classic. Yes.
You're right. Because na person wey chop belle full fit buy tickets come for this country.
If it is, why are we here?
Na true. What next? Next one.
Secondly, a rich man hates price tag.
Kai.
No, they don't price at all, not at all. Because to him, what is money? Money na water. Kai. Chai. And again, a rich man hates to come late. What is our African time here? No, they don't do that. No. And guess what? You can never, for any single reason, keep a rich man waiting. They hate that.
Tell me something.
The last but not the guinea.
The least.
Bagam, your mind there. You are following. A rich man's teeth is very white. I mean whitish in color. You want to know why? He spends so much on dental care. Because to him, appearance is everything. Yes. People address you by the way you look. So you have to him, a rich man, he has to look what? Gengem always. Because steeze and composure has to be maintained. Always.
But bless you, this is your last clue, no enter well. This white teeth issue. Because you remember that my ex now, Boniface teeth is very white. But he's the poorest.
Your ex and even your current don't get money now.
No, try insult me.
I'm not insulting you. I'm only speaking facts,
so this
baby.
White teeth of 18, some get them naturally, even when they can't even afford toothpaste. So
are you saying you have white teeth?
Are
you saying your teeth is white? Open now, let me see.
Before Uncle. But you get people where no get shishi, but they get white teeth.
That one day.
They cannot even afford
can
toothpaste.
They speak foreign languages?
Not true.
Continue with this lesson. Let me go and hustle. I'll be right back.
Take it easy, yo.
Okay.
Ha!
Wow.
Hey, babe, you're back. Welcome. How was today? What's up?
Sierra.
What happened?
Big news.
News.
My boss is back from abroad. And plenty ladies, plenty desperate chicks carried themselves to the airport to work on him.
Can you imagine?
Guess what?
What?
He disguised himself as a security man and escaped.
There'll be
They
something.
ran after his driver, thinking it was him.
Oh my God. Wait, you mean Mike Famous is back? The big famous guy is back.
Girl.
You know, he's actually like the dream of every girl, including me.
Including...
No, I mean he's the dream man of every girl.
You better stick with your Samuel.
Fine, I know. Don't eat me up.
I beg.
Okay.
It's my man.
Come on, I'm listening.
Unfortunately,
okay,
he's unreachable to both of us. People like us. Because I heard his father has started arranging the governor's daughter for him.
Are you serious?
So he's not interested. He only wants love. Who would believe a rich man like Mike Famous would care about love?
Hey.
Whereas a broke babe like me only care about money. Yeah, money. I just want money.
The rich and love.
A lot of money. And a powerful name.
I know you.
A powerful name.
You are like this.
Powerful name to replace this my dad unrecognized name.
I know. Anyway, my own is, don't go and do and pass yourself. Like, don't do more than yourself. It's not about browsing on how to know rich men. No. This is practical. This is physical. Don't go and lose your job. You know this job is very important to you and to us. So just take things easy.
Hear yourself out.
See me.
Hear yourself out. Always negative. Exactly the reason you will keep feeding a man and begging for his love. As for me, all I need to do is to position myself. I want to be his personal trainer. Position myself to be at the right place at the right time where he will be seeing me. And to achieve that, just a kiss on the forehead of the old man Larry will land me there.
You
heard me. You're not deaf. You heard me.
You mean you want to
on the
kiss
the
old man Larry?
Yes.
The one with mouth odor. Just to get the attention of your boss.
Yes, now.
No, now. This is extreme now.
You use something to chase something.
No, now.
Extreme. On what I want. This girl.
Take it easy.
Listen, I'm done with you.
Take it,
my sister. You're just a keyjoy. You don't know how far I'm willing to go to say goodbye to life of calculation and poverty.
I can
Yes,
see.
so I don't leave you.
I can see the effort you're trying. Just take it easy, that's my own. Easy, oh. Don't say I didn't want you.
I just wanted to help me with a lift. Baby, I swear to God, I did not wash her plates. I didn't even hug her. She only gave me lift. If I had seen you, God knows I would have stopped. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
Wait. What? Hey! Wait. What in the name of ugly sight of love is going on here? Why are you guys mourning?
Who is mourning who?
Eh? You're mourning your poverty-stricken lives, right?
But wait, Seth. What kind of thing is this? Anytime I come here, you keep humiliating me. Didn't you even see me to greet me?
Greet you?
Yes.
A poverty-stricken man like you.
Blessing, please, just stop.
No, why would he? I am
okay?
sure that the only reason he returned must have been because he got rejected by the car owner lady. Obviously, yes! Probably because he couldn't perform well in bed. A lousy man.
Wait, baby, you told her? Okay, even at that. If you are sure that I cannot perform well in bed, baby, sorry, just give us 2 hours. If this girl come out from this bed with her 2 legs straight, call me bastard.
Look at you.
I will cripple you here so you believe.
Sarah.
You're talking about being lousy in bed.
Sarah, hold on.
Baby, don't mind her. See, I'm sorry.
Look at what is just coming out from your mouth. You are and you're here begging me to accept you.
No, baby, I didn't mean it that way. You know, she just tried to insult your man. She almost insulted me now.
Blessing, listen.
No.
Blessing.
Sarah.
Blessing, please.
Sarah, I'm not listening because
this is my man.
Your man.
I know I'm angry with him, but I still love him.
Sarah,
Did you hear her?
are you out of your senses? No, are you out of your mind?
I love him.
Because we had a plan. We agreed on something.
Wait, you almost deceived my girl.
No, why you are entertaining this poverty streak? Look around you. This whole place smells poverty. And you're letting this guy to keep inflicting you more.
I love him so much. Sometimes I feel like I can't even breathe if I'm not with him. I love him so much.
Did I hear you just confess love to this guy?
Babe.
After everything we practiced together. After everything we agreed on.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, it's okay, that's okay. I'm going to leave you people to continue from where you were before I interrupted. You were at the...
Leave me alone first now, leave me!
I love you.
Mad people.
I love you. I love you so much. Remember how you scream my name whenever I'm on top of you?
Oh, is that why you left me?
No, I'm not leaving you again. I won't leave you again, I'm sorry.
Baby, don't leave me.
I'm sorry for trying to. I'm sorry for all the
Don't leave
insults.
me again, okay?
Yes.
You know I love you so much.
I understand that.
Babe, where to? Like, why are you looking all hot? Where are you heading to?
Why does it look like I'm going to? Walk of course. And the mission is to capture and slay.
Who do you want to slay this time? Tell me, my friend. Who is all this for?
You already know.
This girl.
Don't play. You already know.
Don't tell me you're still going ahead to target your boss.
Is he your boss?
Wait, need I remind you that you are playing with the food on your table and the roof over your head?
Excuse
Baby girl, you could get fired, you know.
Fired, you said. Listen to me. If he's sane and straight, I mean into women,
Yeah.
this is the only opportunity, the only way to get him to notice me.
This girl.
And that is the mission. Just to get him to... I told you something about rich people. I told you how much they love paying attention to details. They love appearance. To them, it's a big deal. It's a great deal, yeah? So you do not expect me to look like someone's skilled employee while trying to attract someone like Mike Famous. Nah, it's not going to work. I need to stand out. And that is exactly what I'm trying to do.
Really? This is serious. So.
Yes, so... Nobody's in the hospital, though.
Anyway, my advice to you, just be careful, okay? Just be careful, and if the plan is not working, you abort mission. What did I say?
Who are you talking
Abort
to?
mission.
No, who are you talking to like that?
Rest.
No, who do you think you're advising like your child? Do I look like your poverty-stricken
Just rest,
boyfriend?
please.
I mean your pro-man's poverty-stricken boyfriend.
Oh, come
no,
on.
do I look like him that you are
We've
advising me
not
like
gotten
that?
to- we've not
You
gotten
are
to
nothing but Miss Negativity.
Oh.
Listen, I do not like you in my things. Because you don't sound positive at all. You're just a killjoy. You know that's the problem.
It's okay. Oh, yeah,
that
you
is
can
the
go.
problem with small-minded
You
people.
can go
That
now.
is my problem with small-minded people. Small-minded people, you people don't believe in
can
big
go.
things.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
No. Stop advising me.
Okay.
Okay. For your information, it's my famous nothing, and no mission is going to be aborted. Bye.
You're just so difficult. Hi, what kind of friend is this? Very, very, very ambitious. Ah.
Hello. You are so handsome. Let's see. Gotta flirt with that Hello, my name is Blessing. Well, friends call me Blair. I guess we can be friends, so you can call me Blair.
Blair.
Hey, handsome.
Nice name. I hope I can call you that too.
Yes, handsome. I mean,
You mean what? Terry's the name. I'm Mike Famous's driver. Nice to meet you, Blair.
it's not nice to meet you. And please do not call me that name.
You just said I could call you that.
And I just changed my mind. Are you going to force me not to change my mind? Listen, you can call me Sister Blessing, okay? Yeah, let's leave it there. Sister Blessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright? And besides, what are you even doing in the boss's office? Did he send you on an errand here? I don't know what you're doing here. These drivers. I don't know why you people are always prouder than your boss. Huh? Can you imagine? Oh, I know. I guess it's actually a big achievement driving somebody like him, right? You must be really low on ambition. I pity you.
Coming from the cleaner. Wow, don't you think you're too proud as a cleaner? You know what, I'll just leave you to do whatever you're doing, alright? I'm a driver, but our paychecks, it's not the same.
Huh? Guys, it's a big achievement driving the bus, right? The ambition is too low.
Says the cleaner. Look, I think you're too proud as a cleaner, alright? I'm just gonna leave you to do your job. I'm a driver, but our paychecks, it's not the same. Have a nice day.
You're back. Welcome. What's up now? So tell me, babe, you're welcome. So tell me, what's up? How did he go? Were you able to see him? How does he look? Is he handsome? How does he smell? Yes,
What the fuck do you mean? By how does it smell? Like, I don't get. What do you mean by how does it smell? Am I some dog that go about sniffing people? No, tell me, what do you mean by how does it smell?
Sorry, I only asked, so you don't have to be angry, okay? Just a simple question.
You don't ask me such now. It's weird. That was... Well, I didn't get to see him. Unfortunately. Yeah. As I'm here now, I just want to sleep. Now, sleep gets me right now because I overworked myself with the hope of running into him. But to no avail. I kept running into that unfortunate, God-forsaken back. It's God that will help me punish that Terry.
Terry Obi? Wow, you mean Terry Obi? I heard he's like a celebrity driver, like he has traveled around the world with the boss. That he's not just a driver, that he's more like a brother to your boss. I don't think he's a bad catch.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, Is this how low you are now on ambition? Like, this is how you look at yourself. Your low self-esteem is on the lowest. If you go lower than this, I'm sure you're going to dig out coals.
Oh.
Look at you getting gassed up over an ordinary driver. Like, who does that? Is that how you see yourself?
Calm down.
No, I keep trying to help you, know your worth as a human. But no, you keep getting worse. Like, who did this to you?
Okay. What I'm saying is that I think your eyes is on a high side. So you have to be calming down. You have to bring it down to your level. That's all.
No, tell me
Nothing
more
much.
about how my eyes is higher than my expectations. Now, I need to know. Lecture me. No, go ahead and lecture me.
Just
Coming
calm
from
down.
someone that is dating a low life. An absolute nobody. Coming from you, you're not supposed to advise anyone. Like, you don't have that moral right to advise anybody about how to live their life or who to date. Yeah,
So
you should not even be mentioning that you are with that dead human being you're dating.
It's all about love, living for him. You meet him next time. Sorry.
You sorry too.
Are you good?
No, sorry too.
Babe, don't worry, eh? You see that your roommate. Very soon I'll use her and do money ritual, then give you all the money.
What?
Yes.
Please stop. Is it because she eats?
Yeah,
Please don't
she's always about.
Look who is here! She's back!
Yes, so let me help you.
If I slap you,
It's okay.
Help
babe.
who?
Give me the
you dey
bag.
carry eye see food, help me. Well, help me if you want to help me. This is my box. Help me keep it. Yours.
Babe, calm down.
Let me help you.
I understand.
Yeah,
You
you
like-
are-
And you guys rushing food safe.
If
You know
shame-
if it's poison.
If shamelessness was a person, it must be him.
There's this guy I know in her office that always gives her food. I don't know if this one is poison and you are rushing to eat it.
First of all, if you like, insult me from now till tomorrow. As long as there is food, I don't care.
You are
Then
very
for
disgusting.
thank you. And as for the love portion, it will not catch me. You understand? After all, the boy mentioned her name, not mine. Hey,
How do you know it will not catch you?
no, it will not.
No, hungry fool.
Yes.
How do you know the love potion will not catch you?
Bless
Have you
me,
done
it's
love potion
okay
before?
now.
No, I'm asking. Maybe he has charmed you. Obviously, he has done it. Yes. You're a very useless guy. Look at the way he's rushing my food. You disgust me.
No problem.
It's okay now.
Sense.
And come to think of it, this guy that always give you this food, you know he's just doing this whole thing just to entice you. And you're always collecting. That's how the other time you brought a very mighty intercontinental dish. He gave it to you. Like, don't you feel sorry for this guy? Why are you taking things from
And
him?
your point is what? Now I want to know. No,
I
would you
mean,
have-
like, why are you
would
taking things
have-
from this guy?
Would you have preferred it to be like you and your boyfriend?
There you go.
No. Would you have preferred it to be the other way around, whereby I'll be the one feeding him? The way you are feeding.
Baby,
this,
does it taste
the way
nice?
you are feeding this your nonsense sugar boy, hungry bastard,
Ma.
always jumping up when he sees food
Oh.
like a baby.
Let's leave my
Shame on
boyfriend
you.
alone.
Say it
At least
again.
I'm with
Shame
him.
on you.
You can say that
You are talking like as if I force him to give me food. Do I force him to buy those things for me? No.
I
Have you
know.
ever seen me forcing him to do them?
I know you did.
I don't force him. I do not even ask him. He go out of his way buying those things for me just because he cares and he feels.
Let's say
he
you can
hustle.
reject it. You can reject these
I can
things.
reject it.
Yes, reject them. Stop
Oh.
giving him high hopes
I
that
can
you
re-
want him.
I can reject it, but obviously rejecting it will break his heart the more.
Break
I
his
don't-
heart.
I don't want to
Baby.
break his heart.
Break his heart.
Baby.
Stop doing this thing,
Look at who
babe.
is advising
Don't
me
you feel
about-
sorry
Baby.
for him?
Baby.
At least I have my man. My man
Baby.
is here. At
Baby.
least I'm not deceiving him.
Baby, stop telling her to
I'm not
reject
deceiving
it.
my man. He's here
Please,
with me.
accept the food as long as you bring it when I'm here.
Exactly, because if I had rejected this one, what will you eat? No answer.
It's fine.
Have you guys eaten today?
No, now stop.
Have you guys eaten today?
Okay, because you brought food.
If I had rejected this one, will you have, you and this your poverty promise tricking boyfriend, what would you have eaten? Look at the way he's
Okay.
rushing the food.
My love.
Hunger.
My love. My
Jesus.
sweetheart. Mwah! I love you.
But love came all around unexpectedly. Should I go for love or should I stick to plan? Yeah.
Somebody help me. Oh my God.
You okay?
okay? Sorry, let me help you out.
Wait! Why did you touch me? Why on earth did you use these filthy hands of yours to touch me? Why did you touch me?
I was only trying to help.
Did I beg for your help? Did I call on you for help?
I was hearing you say help. That's why I rushed in here.
Oh my God! You're nothing but a terrible market. Bad market! That's what you are. Always going in and out of this office. Like I said, you own it. You own it! Whereas you're nothing but a mere driver. Ordinary driver. You overdo. You like to do too much. I hate it for you.
You're really working hard in this office, you know that, right?
Yes.
Tidying up the office. Tell me, what's with the extra effort?
Extra effort?
It's me you're asking.
It's me you're asking. Get out! My friend, go and drive your boss. Driver. You are a driver. Go drive your boss. Driver! Go drive him. That's where you belong. Always talking and trying to feel very important because some little chickens make you feel fly, right?
It looks like I am interfering in your plans. But tell me, because now you have my attention.
I do not need your attention for anything. Yes. As a matter of fact, I don't want to ever see you. You should save whatever attention you're talking about for those little chicken without ambition. Yes. They are the ones that need your stupid, silly attention. Bad markets. Can you leave? I'm doing my job. Can you go? I want to continue from where I stopped before you rudely interrupted. Get out. Oh, you don't want to go? Bad market. You will not go. I will wait for you.
Hey.
You are here early.
Yes.
Makes me feel like I'm slacking away.
No, come on. You're the boss. You can come in anytime you want. Unlike me, I'm just a mere employee.
Oh, come over, please. You're not a regular employee, all right? You're like family.
Yeah.
So, come on.
To sort out some documents for the rebranding of the restaurant. But there's this cleaner that I find very intriguing. I don't know, but I think that girl is up to something. You should look out for her because she's quite a case.
I would have considered what you're saying a problem, but why that smile on your face?
Oh, that's because, I don't know, she's cooking or calculating something. I'm just trying to, wrap my head around it. I don't know, but I think she's after you. Yeah.
After me? Oh my God. Well, I don't have time for unskilled employees looking to be noticed by the boss. I could have her resign.
No. Don't do that. Please. I find her very intriguing and she's good for a morning laugh, actually. Her confidence is just crazy, believe me. Yeah. Her confidence is mind-boggling. Yeah, trust me. You should meet her.
Bad guy.
What will I do? What will I say? I am stuck right here in confusion on what to do or where to go. It's not an easy decision to make. Should I go for the money or should I go for love? Well, I'm stuck in between. I was in for the.
You care for a ride?
Obviously not interested. And it's time you stopped fronting with another man's car. Know your place, driver.
Oh, I definitely know my place. Look, I'm just a driver that wants to give my boss's employee a ride. How bad is that?
What do you want from me? Now tell me, what do you actually think you can get from me? Listen, I have my eyes somewhere else you can never in your wildest dream get to. Deal with it.
I know. You have your eyes on the boss. Yeah. Now let me shock you. He almost reassigned you today to the other department.
Harry, he almost did? Why would he want to do that? We haven't even met each other.
Come on, don't worry, it's okay. You can go ahead and continue your calculations, but let me ask you this. Why do you have to go through all of this? Huh? It makes you look so pathetic, you know?
Please just get lost. Get lost. Just keep it moving.
Okay.
And stop bringing yourself into my face. Stop it! Go!
Okay, Keke girl.
Yes, Keke.
Okay, go ahead.
Babe, it must really be hard work trying to get the attention of your boss. But at least the driver noticed you. And he might tell the boss about it. So calm down, stop thinking.
That driver is the problem. Yes.
Really?
Dina almost got reassigned.
It's a lie.
Yes. Idiotic driver must have gone to tell the boss that I've been behaving weird and maybe out on a mission, you know. The boss now tried to reassign me.
Because you were so obvious.
Yes, I must have been very obvious. I know.
It was there. It is written. Try. Okay.
I need to tone it down.
Then you need to change your strategy. Like this now. You can actually target someone and make it look like your eyes is on someone else. Are you getting it?
That strategy is called deception in seduction.
Exactly.
But it's a risky one, you know.
Yeah,
it's a risky one because the one you are targeting might become available, yeah? And start thinking you are
unavailable.
Yeah, because you will think you have eye for another person, whereas it's actually your main target.
That's true.
So it's a risky, it's a risky one. A risky one.
What are you going to do? Like, what is the plan? What will you do? Because I'm actually feeling for you.
Yeah, I'm thinking on hi.
God.
I actually made it very obvious, so I think I'll have to slow it down, you know. Flirt without flirting.
You're right. That's it. Flirt without flirting.
Yeah,
like you know,
subtle,
on code.
Yes, on code.
Yeah.
And you know, like I'll try that strategy of falling and letting him catch me. That way our body will touch each other.
Try that falling again. Let his body touch your body. Let him see what he's missing. Let him feel it.
He needs to feel this my soft agege body.
Exactly. Listen, do you know how you look so everything is packaged? See, let him feel this your soft body. He will fall. You see my famous? He will fall and put Jara. Don't worry. I'm rooting for you, girl. You see this your dream? It must come to pass.
You're beginning to sound like the girl I know.
You know, since I have someone now, there's nothing else I have to root for you, my girl.
Low ambition now. Low ambition.
It's not your business. I love him. That's it.
But you see that useless driver? It's God that will help me punish him.
Holy Ghost fire will fire him wherever he is to spoil this plan of...
God has started punishing him already, but he's going to increase the punishment. The idiot keeps following me about like a detective on a mission to catch a hardened criminal. What did I do?
He wants to spoil work for you.
Serious one.
No, it won't work.
Anywhere I go, village people will be following me.
It won't work this time around. You see my famous? We are going. My famous is yours. Don't worry. Calm down. You will get him.
A big game.
Are you okay? You should be more careful.
Sir, I will take my leave.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
I'm sorry, you know, the water I was using to clean spilled on the floor. It made me sleep.
That is why you should be more careful next time.
I know.
Get up. Go to the clinic. They should have something for your pain. Oh, no, please. Don't bother. Go take care of yourself. Alright? You can go.
Oginikwa, what happened to you?
My sister.
What happened? Are you okay? What happened?
Well, I tried falling as we agreed.
Uh-huh.
I tried to seduce the boss as we agreed today.
Okay.
I fell yakata.
So did you hurt him in the process or what?
Huh? He could not even catch me.
Are you
I
serious?
hurt myself. And that useless Terry was standing there watching me enjoy myself.
But he has caught you once now. He caught you once before. So this guy didn't catch you.
Wait. Are you on colos or what? It be like say that useless boy they give you colos. Make it they take when I come out because who is talking about Terry Abina Kelly here? Why are you talking about that useless driver? A common driver. I'm talking about my one-way straight ticket out of poverty. The boss himself, you are telling me Terry Abina Kelly.
So you mean he didn't catch you? He allowed you to fall just like that? This is bad though.
You would have seen how this guy avoided me like a trailer that failed brake.
Child.
You know when you're running away from Dangote trailer?
Yes.
I fell yakata. I scattered everywhere.
Oh.
He was so cold towards me.
Oh,
She just said that he could not even offer me a helping hand.
Oh.
I was just there on that floor crying in pain.
Child, I feel for you. But you shouldn't complain. You don't care about his quality. You only cared about the money. It's the money you're after. So you don't even need to complain, no.
Abio.
Don't need to complain at all.
If you like, make it not catch me. My eyes are on the money.
So he allowed you to fall just like that? But he's cold, though.
Very cold human being. But that's not my concern, though. Now I won't know wait to concern me.
So what's in there? So you need to rest more now. You rest more, Abi. At least you rest from chasing him a bit now. Now that your leg is one kind.
My sister, the leg can be dangerous. I'm not resting, no? Until I achieve my aim.
Mike, don't break your leg. And you still want to go for that.
I don't
Are
care
you
whether
not
it's a
tired?
jet.
Rest more now. Anyway, what will I do? Let me get hot water help you with your legs.
Big aboliki balm.
Aboliki?
Please, aboliki balm.
Yeah.
Because this leg, whether the devil likes it or not, it must walk.
Good morning. Please help me drop this there. How is your leg?
Absolutely none of your business. No, I mean, which part of avoid me totally did you not understand?
Really? Are we enemies now?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Listen, I hate how you act like we are friends. Because we're not friends. We can never be friends. What is wrong with you? Can you stop sending the wrong signals? Just stay on your own. On your own.
Really?
Yes.
Sending the wrong signals? I bet you don't know who you're talking to. Look, I am very educated and I've traveled around the world.
Oh, tell me how you traveled around the world with August's money. I mean, your boss' money. Look at you, standing right before a woman, bragging about spending another man's money. Make it make sense. Listen to me, I hate how low-minded you are. Like, it disgusts me.
Well, I just pray you find what you're looking for.
Hey, guess what?
What? Have you finally broken up with him?
What? You said?
Have you finally broken up with your useless boyfriend?
No, now, don't spoil my mood, though. Listen, I finally find something that will make someone to hold me tight and never let me go. If I call him to come, he will come. If I say go and sit down, he will sit down. Like he will hold me tight. Hey, very tight, though.
Do you know that that useless boy holding tight to you or you holding tight to him is can only bring more suffering and pain to you. Because what can he possibly offer you? I mean, someone that can barely feed himself. Somebody that you feed. If not for our food, hunger would have killed him.
You don't need to insult him because he's poor. Money is not everything, okay?
Money is not everything.
Money is not everything. Stop insulting him. I don't like it.
Okay, madam, I've heard. Wait until life begin to cook you. When life cook you well, you will realize.
See.
What is it you said you found? Mrs. Finder.
Now you're talking. It's a love booster. It makes something that already exists, like a match, like me and Samuel now, it will make us to jam together, to gum together. Nobody will separate us. Think about it. Check it.
Hey!
What now?
Wait a minute. So,
stop being surprised now.
You see, when I say you are very low on ambition, it will look like I'm insulting you. As in your small mind. Please, let me ask. Who is your dealer? Who is the person supplying these colos you are taking? Because it's beginning to affect you.
Not taking anything.
Like your mate are busy looking for love charm to use on a rich man that will change their lives. You are trying to use it. You want to use it on a useless person. Yeah? On a useless person.
Babe.
Are you even thinking at all?
Listen.
Who did this to you?
This is not just a charm. Wait now. This is not just a charm. It's a booster, like something that will boost your love. Like something, a love that already exists, or someone that already exists in your life. It makes both of you to be joined together. Nobody will separate both of you. Inseparable. This thing you are saying, me, I'm not understanding you. Come to think of it. Think about it, oh.
I don't discuss with mad people.
Think about it. Look at me. There's something you need. You might still need this thing. Do you understand? Think about it.
Materialistic woman. She like money scatter. And she did chase some.
Oh, boss. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Sorry.
So if you don't get money, hide your face.
How are you, boss?
I'm very fine. Thank you.
Okay, there's actually something I would like to share with you. That's if you don't mind. You know, as a cleaner, I actually do know my place. I don't want to cross it.
Anyone can have a brilliant idea, so why sell yourself small? Can I hear it?
Oh, okay. Well, I kind of noticed that some of our clients are not really excited about what we serve here. To spice things up, I was thinking if we could add some local delicacies, which I know a lot of people will go for. They will love it and probably blog about it. Just to spice things up, and make them keep talking about our restaurant. What's up?
That's a good idea.
Oh.
Wow. I will give it a thought. Yeah. Sorry, so what's that your name again? Because I didn't catch it.
Blessing, sir.
Oh, Blessing.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice to officially meet you too.
It's fine now. I'll get back to you, but you'll give me some time to give your suggestions some serious consideration.
You should think about it. You will love it.
It's fine, so get back to work.
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
You seem to have a lot on your mind. You care to share?
The cleaning lady. She suggested the inclusion of local dishes into our menu so that travelers can have good experience while making their travelogue.
I think that's smart. It's a very brilliant idea. Talk to her. For her to tell you about this, I'm sure she has a recipe that she'll be willing to sell at a good price. Talk to her. I like this idea, and I think it's going to work. Let's go.
Relax. You look tensed.
I'm sorry, sir. It's just I haven't ever asked to sell me before. So I'm kind of worried. I hope I haven't done anything wrong, sir.
I assured you I was going to get back to you concerning our discussion last time about your suggestion on we adding local delicacies to our meal in our restaurant. So, I've thought it through and, blessing, I like it. Yes, I do. It's a nice idea.
Wonderful idea, sir. I just want to show you that the money to prepare the delicacy won't be a problem. I'm just willing to give back to this place that pays me salary.
No, come of it. Of course, you need to be paid for your ideas. We're running a business here, and if this idea goes out very well and pays us very well, it will be good. So you need to be paid for your idea. Yes, so just go back home, do what I've asked you to do, bring it here. I'll ask my finance department to make funds available for you to carry this out. All right?
Wow. Thank you so much. I promise to do my best.
All right. So relax, all right?
Thank you. So you walked today? What?
Tell me something.
He asked me to prepare a special delicacy that he wants to taste it.
It's a lie. Mike Famous asked you to prepare a food. Wow! I'm so happy for you now. Finally! Finally! So all the stress paid off finally.
Maybe kind of. Because I don't want to be a business partner. I want to be a romantic partner. I just want romance, not business. Strictly romance.
I know, but things go from clapping of hands to, dancing. You get it stage by stage, step by step. At least just make this food first. Cook for him first. He will eat it, and the rest will follow.
You're right. We're making
It's actually
progress.
a good start. We're in progress, babe.
Making progress.
It's a good start. I'm so happy.
Considering that this guy is someone that wouldn't even consider taking a glance at me before, now asking me to prepare a special meal for him.
Wow.
It's a big one, yeah?
It's a big one.
Blessing, you've worked hard for this. Right now, you are going to work harder.
Yeah, on period.
Baby.
So, tell me, what local delicacy are we making for him? I mean, what local delicacy are we going to make for him?
It's the we that is my problem, because the last time I checked, there is no we anywhere. It's only me. Yes, only me.
And you that is planning everything.
Only me. The one used love kill. Only me.
It's time for you to cook now. Now you are beginning to get him, and you are leaving me aside.
But
right?
it has always been me. Me. So, babe, you can stay from afar and be praying for me. Wish me all the love from afar.
Okay.
Don't come close. Thank you.
If you say so. So I shouldn't help you. Eh?
Don't help
You want to do everything in the kitchen.
Don't help me.
Okay.
Why do you look surprised? Not what you expected?
Yes, I was actually expecting to see a place covered with red candles, red clothes. You know how you Juju people do it. But this particular place looks... it looks so...
Modern?
Yeah. Modern.
That's because I'm a professional psyche, not a native doctor. What brings you here?
I heard about your famous love booster and I'm here for a portion of it. Like, I want it. But please, I need you to assure me that I will not be using it to capture someone's mind and turn the person to mumu. I don't want to turn anybody's son to mumu.
I don't involve myself in such barbaric acts.
Thank God.
The love booster helps you to be visible to the one you love and captures his heart. It is the booster that brings those that are destined and fated to be together.
Okay, you are saying right now, if I'm made to understand you better, that it can only, the love booster helps the person I'm seeking for to see me clearly and capture his heart.
He sees you clearly and captures his heart. Once you are destined to be together, in 2 weeks you will know if you are meant for each other.
Wow. So how do I go about it? What do I do, please?
Okay, you just drop 80,000 in there. Then I'll give you something. The love booster. You see this love booster?
Mm-hmm.
So you will sprinkle this in his food.
Sprinkle in his food? Please, I don't want to kill someone's son.
He will not die.
Better.
You will say these enchantments. The one that loves me, the one that sees me, the one that will love me forever. And once he eats the food, he will change automatically.
Wow.
And the love you've been seeking for, you will experience.
Just that?
Just like that. Make sure you sprinkle it and say it exactly the way I said it.
Okay.
Oh, listen.
Boss.
Yes, how are you?
Good morning.
Yes.
I finally brought the proposed local delicacy.
Oh, wow. The bag.
Yeah. You know, I have to make everything fanciful.
Wow. You have worked so hard.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we can taste and give our honest feedback.
Yeah, you can taste it. Yeah, should I open it?
No, don't worry, just hold on. Hello? Yeah, Terry. Please come to my office. All right.
You sent for me?
Yes, I did. Please, taste this.
No, boss. I especially made this food for you to taste it.
Well, you see, Terry here has an impeccable taste bud when it comes to tasting foods like this.
But you should stay out of...
Trust me when I say he has been instrumental in selecting our meals before they are served in this restaurant. Do you understand? So, you see, no meal goes into that restaurant without him tasting it for approval. If you have a problem with him tasting this food, I'm afraid, blessing, I'll have to reject it, not minding how great it may taste.
Respectfully, boss, I'm so sorry, but if you believe in your driver's impeccable takes, but you can go ahead and taste it.
Oh, good then. Right on, bro.
Thank you. Wow. This tastes really good.
Oh, wow.
I actually haven't had anything this tasteful since we got back to the country.
I see. Blessing, congratulations. If done well, we can now discuss the price for your recipe. And thank you for working so hard.
Okay, I can take back my food right now.
Sure. He said it's nice.
Okay, sir.
It's okay.
What happened? Why are you sad? Is today not supposed to be your big day? What is it? What are you doing here? Eh?
Love booster has killed me. It finally found its way into the wrong belly. And don't even get me started with the nonsense she said about it, finding the one destined for me.
A common driver destined for me? God forbid.
What are you saying? Because I'm not understanding. Did you see Mike? Did he eat the food? That's what I want to know. What happened?
It be like say you know they even hear word. You know they understand things anymore. Eh? I am saying that he did not eat the food. Instead, he asked his driver, Terry, to eat the food and give verdict. As I speak to you right now, Love Booster is in the belly of that idiot.
What? What? Why would you allow such... Why would you make such a mistake? Why would you allow him eat the food? Why would you allow them to eat the food?
You tell me what I would have done.
Oh my God.
The food was poisoned or I put love potion. Either way, you know I'm good as dead.
Oh, this is messed up.
My own is that I can't afford to have that idiot going after me with I love. I cannot.
Look, you should have pretended to be clumsy and poured the food. It's better for you to waste than for you to misfire your mission now. Oh, this is messed up now.
Think about it like that.
This is messed up, babe.
Think about it like that, though. I just love the love. I just love Booster.
Oh my God. You are glowing. And you look so beautiful. You know, I think I'm falling in love with you. Why?
God forbid.
No.
Listen, I need to get you water and soap to wash up that thing you call man. Listen, you can fight it. You need to just snap out of this illusion. It's not happening.
No, I can't.
You've lost it.
I've lost it for you. Yes. I am crazy for you. Can't you see that?
Oh my God, it's so bad. You've gone mad.
I am madly in love with you, Blessing. Look, Blessing, let me tell you. You're not getting away from me.
Don't, just go back.
You are not getting away from me. I see you. I like you. I am falling in love with you, and I will make you mine.
You've lost it, though. Don't.
I've lost it for you.
Hey!
Blessing, come. Blessing.
I am stuck right here in confusion on what to do or where to go. It's not an easy decision to make. Should I go for the money or should I go for love? Well, I'm stuck in between. I was in for the money and then don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it. I really wanna get my...
Hey! What is it? What is it? No, what do you really want? What do you want? Look at what you are doing. Listen, whatever you are feeling or thinking, it's not happening. It's a mistake. It's not right.
This is right. Listen, this is right. Look, I've never felt like this before. Okay? I just can't stop thinking about you.
You've completely lost it. And the funny thing is, you can't even afford me. You can't give me what I want. I need a man like your boss. Someone that can give me everything I want. I mean, literally.
Look, I can be that man for you, Blessing. I can give you everything my boss can give you. All right, just give me your love. I can... Look at you. You're glowing. So beautiful. Blessing, please. Huh?
Please, in the name of God, I just need you to leave me alone,
I
okay?
can't leave you. Listen, look, you're glowing. You're glowing.
Love passion. Love passion has ruined my life.
What did you say? Did you say you love me too? Hey, Blessing, wait. Oh, hold on. Blessing, wait, hold on. Come on, Blessing. Hey, come on.
Oh my God. Terry. Why are you creating a scene? Look at you. What are you doing? You're embarrassing me. Can you stop already?
Realistic woman. She like money scatter. And she dey chase and banner. Bamba to bamba. And she always say, now rich guys be the coco. She's so mindful of the guy. We go come my way. So if you no get money,
There is trouble. Serious trouble. The wrong person ate the love booster. And now he's lost it. He's gone crazy. Please, you have to undo it.
If we have the wrong target, then you have nothing to be worried about. Be patient. In 2 weeks, the potency of the potion will be neutralized from his system. It will wear out completely.
The person that ate it is the wrong person. And he has gone mad, embarrassing me everywhere. It's a matter of time before people will start suspecting me.
Don't worry. Just be patient. In 2 weeks, it will neutralize and everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine, you said. The person that ate it is not the boss, it's the driver. So obviously it's the wrong person that ate it.
You know, sometimes fate could be mysterious. The love booster has the power to choose the one who you should love, irrespective of who made the declarations.
What nonsense are you talking about? No, what rubbish is this? No, we better be acting on its own. Because as far as I'm concerned, in this situation, I am in charge. You cannot go and choose the wrong person. Yes, I'm talking about the boss. It has to be the boss, not this driver. So you said 2 weeks. I hope in 2 weeks he must have disappeared from his system. I don't want to come back here and make trouble with you.
I hope so.
You know, I wonder what I did to get this type of love you shower me with. You defend me, stand by me. Here. Your love for me is my strength.
Hey, babe, you're welcome. How did it go today? Did she undo it? Tell me, did she undo it? How did it go?
Or are you going to be loving a driver for the rest of your life?
Sierra. Really? No, really?
I'm sorry. You know, he's my boyfriend. Oh, don't actually keep secrets.
Exactly, it's our love language.
By breaking the girl's code. No, Sierra, I'm asking a question. Have you lost your senses?
It hasn't gotten to that, I'm sorry.
No, where is your brain?
No, don't insult her. Were you the one that asked her useless love potion to catch a driver instead of the boss?
Did you just talk to me about frustration? If you don't want to see my frustration right now, get up and leave this place immediately. Get out!
Come on.
Get out! Get out now.
Listen, it's okay.
Idiots! You.
I know, I'm sorry.
Don't make me to change it heavily for you in this house. If I do, you will not like yourself.
Sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Calm down. So, what's up? Did she undo it?
She didn't undo anything, no. She didn't undo it, though. She said that we should wait, that the thing will eventually wear out if it's on the wrong person.
If he's on the wrong person. For how long is he going to stay till he wears out?
So we should give it like 2 weeks. If he doesn't wear out, it means that that idiot will continue to chase me for the rest of his life.
In 2 weeks? Okay, now, let's just wait for 2 weeks. If he doesn't wear off, then that means you were not destined to marry a rich partner. And you have to calm down and accept your fate. There's nothing else you can do.
Eh? Accept which fate?
Your fate.
No, accept.
To marry
You daughter of little fates.
Ah.
You want to bring your uselessness to my life. You want to contaminate me.
Ah,
eh?
there you go.
Look
again.
at the stupid advice you are giving me. Accept your age.
But it's
Accept your
true.
age. Eh? Is that what a friend is supposed to say to a friend?
I'm trying. I'm just giving you just a good advice.
And it's time you stop bringing that useless, good for nothing boyfriend of yours inside this house. It's time. If you guys want to meet, you can be going to his house. Don't you have a house?
And a poor man is chasing you, right? Up and down. Come on, feed Joe. I made food.
Oh my God. What are you doing? Are you trying to get me fired?
No. Glowy Queen. No. Why would I want to get you fired?
What's wrong with you?
Look, I am treating you like the queen that you are. Huh? What is it?
Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Whoever has taken hold of you, you need to fight it back. You need to get out of this.
I'm not fighting
You
anybody.
are behaving strangely. What will you tell people is responsible for this strange behavior of yours?
Oh, come on, leave those people. I will handle them, all right? You know what? Just sit down. Let me just... Come on, sit down.
Huh?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit, let me clean now. You want to stand or you want to sit? What you want to do?
Please.
Let me just do my job, okay?
What is going on here?
Oh my...
Listen.
Stop.
Do you want to get fired?
No. I actually opted to do the cleaning, so leave it out of this. Glowy Queen.
Terry.
Huh?
Stop. What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on? Can't you see the glowing queen? You can't see her? See? This is the glowing queen. What? Okay. All right. I'll just leave the two of you to handle this. But don't miss me too much, okay?
Are you? I see you want to get fired.
No, sir. No, sir.
My friend, you acted out of character today. Cleaning in her stead? That's quite strange. What came over you?
Have you ever felt the need to take someone's stress away? That is how I feel towards her. Do you think that is bad? Think it's strange?
Well, considering the fact that she is a stranger, it is strange. But what's going on? What did you even see in her?
Oh, Mike, are you really asking me what I see in her? Now, don't tell me you don't see that glow. She glows like a queen, and oh my God, she is so beautiful.
Oh, Terry. Come on, it. Like, what has she done to you? I just want to know, like.
I don't know. We need to find her to ask her because right now, I can't stop thinking about her. I can't think straight and I can't sleep without seeing her. Huh? She drives me crazy. Oh, thank you for the water.
Hey girl, what's the look on your face? Why is your face like that?
Don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it.
Yeah?
This guy.
I mean the poor
I really wanna get my hands on material things.
I wonder how the cheap drugs he's smoking that is making him think that as a bird he can fly.
Anyway, maybe he has other means that is giving him money, other investment that you don't know about. And he's using this whole security guy as a disguise.
Eh? Disguise?
Yeah.
No, nah, rich people know they hide. Richness know they... Wait. Let me tell you, no rich guy want to go through that stress of coding his identity so they don't know who he is. No. All these things is poor people's lifestyle. Because tell me why you want to make yourself uncomfortable when you can actually be comfortable.
Exactly.
You know? Like, why would you want to do that?
Yeah. Okay, I think there's one way to find out if he's in or out. Let's bill him. It's your way though, but I'm telling you, let's bill him. Let's know if he can afford you, take care of you, buy stuffs for you. Money, you need iPhone, you need these things. Let him know what you want. And if he cannot afford these things, then he will use his legs and walk and run away. Do you get?
Great idea.
Exactly.
I think I have to start by telling him my phone got spoiled. I need a new iPhone.
Good. Call him now. Call.
Hi, Terry. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, blessing. No, where I am is not noisy. My phone is so bad. It fell on the floor and got smashed. Yes, it's so bad. I can't even do anything with it. I need a new iPhone, probably. Yeah, maybe a new iPhone would do me.
iPhone.
You get it.
You get it.
Oh wow. Thank you then. I'm expecting it.
Wow.
Okay. Hi.
Wait. This guy wants to get your iPhone.
Who dash monkey banana? This one wants to feel among.
What?
That is one thing with broke people, always trying to feel among.
With the way he's sounding this guy, he's not even sounding like someone that is with his senses at all, like he is gone.
He's a madman now. It takes a madman to be living fake life.
He's a finished man, he's gone. What?
From bailing him.
Exactly.
When it's entirely dried up, he will realize that a woman like me is not fit for a common driver.
Good. Good. Let's wait. I can't wait.
Wait. Come.
Hey, are you good?
No, I understand what is going on. You see that your poor driver boyfriend?
Oh, okay.
Yes, now. But wait, did you guys make love or fight? Because the guy was smiling like some idiot. Not just smiling like an idiot. I think you've knocked that guy off with your love potion. How did you do it?
Close that dirty thing you come out. He has a job. What do you do? Do you have a job? No, tell me, what do you do for a living apart from leeching onto hardworking women? What else?
Babe, are you seriously going to stand here and watch your friend insult me? Or do you want me to hit?
Hey! Did you just make that move? You are... The next time you will try that, hey, look at this idiot. This woman rapper. Oh, you think I don't know you don't have any strength in you? Yeah? You think I don't know? The next time you will ever in your life, if you behave like idiot, may you end here.
Blessing.
Try am where I did.
Blessing.
Enough. I will strangulate you.
Enough. Look, I know you don't accept my man. I know you don't like him. I know you don't want to see him. But look, I love this guy. I love him so much. And if you say you love me just the way you claim you do, you accept him as my man, my love, my everything. Stop insulting him. I don't like it. Enough already. Every day you insult him. Whenever he comes, you insult him. Every day I'm eating insult because of him. Stop. I don't like it. Leave my man. Stop insulting my man.
There is no man the last time I checked. There is absolutely no man. Am I seeing any man here? There is no man. You are the man in this situation. You are dating a shima. A shim. That is what you are. Do you know what is a shim? Female man. That is what you are. Are you a man? No, but are you a man? Babe. Answer me. Are you a man?
Babe, see who is talking. After she misfired, after her misfired love charm caught a common driver, she still feels she's better than you are. Now let me tell you something, baby. I've advised you on countless occasions to quit your friendship with this particular girl, but you wouldn't listen to me.
If there's any friendship she needs to quit, it is you. You that have been sucking her dry like the parasite you are.
Enough already, both of you! Enough already! Enough!
Tell this thing to stop talking to me!
Enough already!
She should stop talking to me!
Oh, babe, you're back. Is that gifts? Are you serious? Who gifts you? Can you see? For you, my love. Terry, are you serious? Wait, the driver gifts you this? Eh?
My sister.
This can only be afforded. This brand like this can only be afforded by the rich only. Like this brand is very expensive. Like how did he do it?
It keeps shocking
How come?
you. My own is I hope he's not robbing any bank to please me because I'm not pleased. And I didn't send him. Before I go and land himself in jail and then call my name, I will deny him. Pure like Peter did to Jesus. I will deny him. Eh? No, the thing is, he obviously can't afford this. A mere driver, ordinary driver, cannot afford all these things. So he must be stealing money from somewhere to please me.
See, I think you should give him back. I don't want somebody to come here and cause problems. Because by the time the whole charm leaves his head now, he will come and look for trouble. So let's just return it, since you don't want him.
It doesn't look like that charm is going to leave this one. It's been more than 2 weeks now. It's even getting worse. This whole thing is becoming very scary. Like I'm very scared. This one is not even looking like somebody that will ever recover from this charm. He's gone and gone for good. If only he had kept his long throat mouth well close on that fateful day, all these things would not be happening. How I wished it was my mic. Famous that ate my food. The actual target that tasted that food that day. We wouldn't be here. By now he would have been head over heels in love with me, showering me with so much love and care. Exactly what I want. Not that idiot. Imagine the embarrassment that boy is giving me everywhere. It's going to look very suspicious.
See, because I'm thinking this is more than 2 weeks that they say that it will go off his head, but he's still there chasing you. He's not going off anything. I think this is more than what we bargained for.
I'll go and meet that love doctor.
He
has to undo whatever he has done to that guy. At least let them release him from whatever cage or whatever that is happening to him.
The guy is gone. He's a finished man. He's gone.
Finished man is the word.
Yes.
It's becoming embarrassing. I mean, this guy embarrasses me everywhere, even before my main boss. People very soon now, people will begin to start pointing and kissing fingers at me.
Is he serious?
No, they have to undo it too. So let them just set him free so he carry his wallet and go. That's my own.
Exactly.
I see good things all around you. What you seek is fiercely fighting for you.
Obviously not what I seek. No, what do you possibly think I seek? What do you mean by what I seek is obviously all around me? 2 weeks gone. The love booster is still in the belly of the wrong targets. And you are here telling me nonsense. No, make it make sense.
This is strange.
Oh.
Are you sure he's the wrong target?
You're asking me? Hey. Madam, listen. Who I want is Mike, famous, the billionaire, who is my boss. But his driver, Terry Obi, went to eat the food and consume the love booster. Now he doesn't want to let go of me. He embarrasses me everywhere he sees me with calls and gifts. That is not what I want. That is not who I want.
Are you sure this Terry is not the object of your desire?
Tell me about it.
The love booster has the power to reinforce the desire of the declarer. It can make what you want hold on to you tightly. And this man is holding on to you tightly. That means he is what you want.
Wow. Wow. I knew it. You are nothing but fake. Bloody scammer. Yes. You don't chop my money now. My hard earned money. My life savings. Look at it. Wasted. Gone for nothing. Eh? So this is how you go about defrauding people in the name of doing juju. Eh? Now you've ruined my life. You've ruined my life. Look at what you've done to me. Eh? My God will judge you. My God must surely judge you.
She too like money. Blessing too like money.
So, babe, how did it go? Can it be undone? Can she undo it?
Can't believe that fraudulent woman is telling me that I have the right man chasing me. And I'm just wondering, how can Terry, the driver, be the right man for me? Blah blah of life. That I've got eye for the famous Mike, the billionaire. No, she wants me to go from 100 to 0 real quick. No way.
That you have the right man chasing you. Okay, maybe she's trying to say that Terry is the one for you. Come to think of it, this guy is cute, educated, and I heard that he has traveled around the world with the boss. Like, he's not such a bad catch if you ask me.
So why should I, blessing of life, with high ambition, settle for the gate man's wife when I can actually be the wife of the house owner?
Listen, we are out of options here. Really. Because from where I stand, this is spiritual things. And it's very hard for us to comprehend since it's supernatural forces that we are contending with.
No, enough. Please, let me think. I need to think.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you are making too much noise. Allow me to think. I need to think. That is it. I can only chase him away.
How do you want to chase him away?
There's only way to chase a broke guy away. Bill him, Papa. Bill him, generation. Bill him. See, when you know go fit pay again. As in, dry him up. Every person go tell him. He go jack down.
I think that's a good idea.
Boss! What are you doing?
I'm trying to wash the car.
No, please.
No, Eve. What is it?
Boss, give it to me.
What happened?
What are you doing now? What are you doing? It hasn't come to this. I can't be washing the car when I'm here.
But there's nothing wrong with it. I just want to know how it feels to wash a car.
Boss, it hasn't come to this.
No, look, I'm enjoying this character, okay? Let me just have a feel of it. Please.
Oh, God. Boss, you can't be doing this try and error with the bends. You can scratch it.
This is a towel. It's not good to scratch. Okay?
Boss, let me take the car to the car wash.
You know what? Just give it to me.
Boss, please, don't do this.
Okay, let me just try to
I
clean.
beg you in the name of God.
All right,
Boss,
okay.
Please.
Fine.
Thank you. Don't worry. Please. We can't do this.
Good morning.
doing here? No, not you always trying very hard to look like a gentleman, whereas you are still a common driver. Eh? I'm sure you must have used the whole of your salary to buy this perfume, right?
It must smell really nice for you to assume or think that I used all my salary to buy it. Tell me, how do I look?
Nothing different, just like an expensive driver that you are. So what are you doing here?
I came to take you out and to show you how good I look. That's why I'm dressed for the occasion. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will not leave you to pay the bill, okay? My boss made sure he gave me enough money so I can take care of everything.
You disgust me whenever you brag with another man's money because it's crazy. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Why should I be ashamed of it? Listen, whatever he gives me, I worked hard for it, okay? You're a cleaner, you should understand. Be ready by 3, okay?
No. I'm not going anywhere with you. Let that better sink in. I mean, you and I are never going to happen. You better deal with it. So you can dip yourself in the pool of perfume. It will never intoxicate my brain or make me change my decision. Never. Deal with it.
I'm stuck in between. I was in for the money and then.
Sir, so you were saying I should
Wow. Blessing. Is this really you? You look so beautiful.
Wow. Thank you so much, boss. I actually wanted to, try something different. Wait, did you actually say you like my outfit?
Of course I do. You look so beautiful. Well, if you decided to look different today, consider it a job well done.
Thank you so much, sir. This is like the sweetest thing I've heard in a while. Like, it just made my day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about you taking me out for a lunch? You've not treated me to a meal.
I would, but I have a very important meeting. I'm sorry. Terry here can take you out. Let him be my representative. Yes. And please, don't say no. Blessing. Don't say no. It's going to break my heart.
No, not at all.
You see, I really want to treat you to something nice as thank you. But, Terry,
sir,
go stand it for me.
Okay, no problem, sir, if that's what you want.
Of course, I will go with Terry and receive your gratitude with a grateful heart, according to my mom.
That's nice. Terry,
sir,
have fun.
After you.
Hey girl, what's the look on your face? Why is your face like that?
Imagine the idiot promising to give me the word. Eh?
And this guy.
I mean, the poor Terry wants to paint my word. I wonder how the cheap drugs he's smoking that is making him think that as a bird he can fly.
I wonder. Anyway, maybe he has other means that is giving him money, other investment that you don't know about. And he's using this whole security guy as a disguise.
Eh? Disguise?
Yeah.
No, nah, rich people know they hide. Richness know they. Let me tell you, no rich guy want to go through that stress of coding his identity so they don't know who he is. No. All these things is poor people's lifestyle. Because tell me why you want to make yourself uncomfortable when you can actually be comfortable.
Exactly.
Like, why would you want to do that?
Yeah. Okay, I think there's one way to find out if he's in or out. Let's bill him. It's your way though, but I'm telling you, let's bill him. Let's know if he can afford you, take care of you, buy stuffs for you. money, you need iPhone, you need these things. Let him know what you want. And if he cannot afford these things, then he will use his legs and walk and run away. Do you get?
Great idea.
Exactly.
I think I have to start by telling him my phone got spoiled. I need a new iPhone.
Good. Call him now. Call.
Hi, Terry. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, blessing. No, where I am is not noisy. My phone is so bad. It fell on the floor and got smashed. Yes, it's so bad. I can't even do anything with it. I need a new iPhone, probably. Yeah, maybe a new iPhone would do me.
iPhone.
You get it.
You get it.
Oh wow. Thank you then. I'm expecting it. Wow. Okay. Hi.
Wait. This guy wants to get your iPhone.
Who dash monkey banana? This one wants to feel
God.
among.
What?
That is one thing with broke people, always trying to feel among.
With the way he's sounding, this guy is not even sounding like someone that is with his senses at all. Like he is gone.
He's a madman.
He's a
Now. It takes a madman to be living fake life.
He's a finished man. He's gone. What?
From bailing him.
Exactly.
When it's entirely dried up, you will realize that a woman like me is not fit for a common driver.
Good. Good. Let's wait. I can't wait.
Don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it. I really wanna get my hands on material things. But love came all around, unexpected me. Should I go for...
Listen. Guess what?
What?
Ta-da!
Oh my God.
The iPhone you wanted. Newest in the market. As promised.
Did you steal it?
What do you mean, did I steal it?
Don't go and put yourself in trouble.
Why can't you even say that?
You and I know you cannot afford this. Or how many salary advance did you take?
Look, I did not take any advance salary from anybody, okay? Does it even matter? What matters is I got you the phone as promised. Blessing, I will do everything to fulfill your heart desires, even if it's going to cost my blood.
Oh my God, Terry. You're crazy.
Yes. Crazily in love with you. Can't you see? I just want to make you happy. Do you like the phone or not? You're just looking at me. It's an iPhone or the newest one. Blessing, I'm talking to you. Blessing! Are you serious? I emptied my accounts for you. I got you a gift and you cannot even give me a thank you kiss?
A promise you made by yourself. Not like I forced you. All I did was to ask. You could have just said no, I will not. And you would have used that same beautiful opportunity to get out of my life, realizing that I am not the woman for you. Did I force you?
That is going to easily set you off, right? Huh?
Oh my God. Thank you, blessed. Please accept my heartfelt apology. Can you see this? An apology that cost a fortune. Oh my God, I think he likes me.
No, he does not. He pities you. Blessing, you're just a cleaner that is trying so hard to get his attention like a dog without a master.
You sound so bitter right now. You must be jealous, right?
Oh, yes, I'm very jealous. Very, very jealous. Blessing, I got you a gift. You cannot accept another man's gift. If you do, it means you're cheating on me.
Hey, wait a minute. You must be dreaming of something right now because you've lost it completely. Listen to yourself, like, look at yourself. Did I force you? Oh, just because you got me An iPhone doesn't give you that right. Okay? Yes.
Listen, do you realize I emptied my accounts for you?
There you go again.
Getting you a gift makes you my woman. You know what? Where's the gift? Give it back. Return it.
I should return it?
Yes.
Look at how bossy you sound right now, and you want to date me. Listen, I can never be your woman. Not in this world. Nothing will make that happen. Yes. Yes. Can never happen. And as for that gift that I did not ask you, by yourself, just to give it to me. I'm not returning it. You don't get to call that shot. I do. Okay? Your gift is gone. Yes, I made that call. Go hold the transformer.
She's a materialistic woman. She like money scatter, and she dey chase and bada, bamba to bamba, and she always say, "Now rich guys be the go-go."
Your place is small, but cute.
Thank you. You didn't sit down.
No, I'm fine here.
Are you sure?
So, what's with the invitation? Is this where you look me in the face to tell me you don't want a driver?
Not at all. You remember the gift the boss gave me the other time?
Yeah.
Okay. I sold it and realized the money. So here's the money. You can use it to offset your bills. Take it.
It was your gift. Why did you want to give me that?
Yeah, it's from my heart. Well, you borrowed money. I mean, you borrowed advance salary just to buy me that phone. And since then, you've been starving. You've been going through a lot all just to please me. So, take it. My conscience won't allow me to watch you go through all that alone.
Listen. I did what I did because I love you. And also to let you know and understand that I will always be there for you.
My friend, I'm finished.
Hey, what is it? Why are you crying? You've been crying here since. What is happening? What is it?
My heart failed me.
Don't tell me you've gambled all your money. Don't tell me you've wasted all your savings.
I did not gamble. I did not gamble. My heart gambled me. I had gambled me. Who would have thought that my heart that loves money would go out foolishly fall in love with that stupid driver? Can you imagine?
Wait, you fell in love with the driver? I thought we were planning to chase him away. I thought that's what we were planning.
We were planning together, I know. We were planning together. I was planning with you. We were working together. Alright? But you know, this guy was persistent. He didn't want to let go.
Yes, he was.
This guy is ready to lay down his life for me. I've never felt a love like that before all my life. And I became scared that if I lose him, I might not be able to find someone else to love me like that. Imagine me choosing his love over money.
Are you sure? Are you sure you are not saying this whole thing because he's the one available? Okay, what if Mike, the main Mike, famous now, what if he comes back to you and say, let's go out? Are you going to leave Terry? Are you going to abandon this love? Or is it not because he's available? Tell me, have you thought about it? Are you doing this because Terry is available now or you truly love him? Have you asked yourself that?
I don't know. I can't even think. Look at me. Look at my ambition. Everything scattered.
This is what you have to ask yourself. You have to really know what you're getting yourself into. Because you that I know, you hardly fall in love. You, my friend, for you to fall in love is like pouring water in a basket. It can't hold. Maybe you are just doing this whole thing because he's just the available one. Or maybe he's just a habit you want to get attached with.
Or maybe he has used jazz on me.
You are the one that have you forgotten? Now you use the jazz now. You are the one that used charm on him. Huh? Have you forgotten? He didn't use anything. My dear, it's okay. Love is a beautiful thing. Okay? It's fine. Stop crying. It's okay you love him now. At least, he's a good man if you ask me. Terry is a good man. He was persistent, he was good. He has done a lot for you even. So don't think too much, it's okay. Yeah, my friend.
If you don't get money, far away, go far away. Cause you know be aspect here. The girl no too like money scatter. Blessing too like money. Brother, if you don't get money, go far away.
You know, Blessing, how are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm good. I couldn't sleep last night. It felt like I was hearing your voice accepting me. I don't know. Did it happen or I'm just imagining it?
You're not imagining anything. I did accepted you yesterday. Yeah, for the time being, you know, anything can still happen in the future. So I suggest we take it slow and steady.
So, do you still have eyes for the boss?
Come on. Who is talking about the boss here? If I'm still obsessed with him, I wouldn't have accepted your request. I bought you food. You should eat. You've gone playing, chasing and wasting your money for me. You need to eat, feed well.
You cooked for me?
Yes.
You're the best girlfriend in the world.
Thank you.
Did I just say girlfriend?
Thank you, my boyfriend. And make sure you finish the food.
Yeah, I'll finish it. Thank you.
She's a financial woman. Yeah, she too like money. Oh, Blessing too like money. Brother, if you don't get money, go far away. Cause you know be aspect here.
One can easily tell when a man is in love. I can't believe you've gotten a girl and kept me in the dark. So tell me, who is she?
It's the girl in the office, the cleaner. We became official yesterday, and it feels like a dream come true.
You must really like that lady. Isn't she the one you told me treats you like crap?
Yes, I said so, and guess what? We are so compatible. Look, I really, really like this girl.
I see. Does she feel the same way? You know how painful unrequited love can be.
I don't think she loves me the way I do. And I think she actually accepted because what she wants is not available, but I am the available.
Available man.
Yeah, so
make sure you're not making mistakes, bro.
She's a materialistic woman. She like money scatter. And she dey chase and bada. Bamba to bamba. And she always say, now rich guys be the coco. She's so mindful of the guy. We go come my way.
Boss, good morning.
Good morning, Blessing. Listen, you know you are one interesting lady and I can't stop thinking about you these days.
Wait, you're thinking about me?
Yes.
No way.
You don't mean it. What can you possibly be thinking about me?
That you are intelligent, funny, and beautiful. Blessing, you intrigue me.
Oh my God.
And I think I would like to know you better.
I don't know how best to act right now. Please, I'm sorry. It's you don't understand. Like coming from a whole mic, famous, wanting to know.
Come on.
More about an ordinary cleaner like me.
Oh, come on. What's with the difference in status? You don't need to bring it in. Listen, when the heart is concerned, status doesn't matter. Blessing, how about a dinner with you? I want to know more about you.
A dinner? Yes. Please, only one exception. That you don't let your driver tag along. It's meant to be our moment together. You know, just us. Yeah?
Does Terry make you uncomfortable? You see, Terry is not just my driver. He's like a brother. But come on, come off it. Anything to make my beautiful lady comfortable. So, just the two of us. Tomorrow evening, right?
Yeah, 7-ish.
Cool?
Yeah, fine.
That's fine.
Yes! I got you. See ya!
It's okay.
Lesson to like money. Brother, if you no get money, go far away. Cause you no be aspect. They get little like money scatter. Lesson to like money. Brother, if you no get money.
Listen. What you definitely need is a doctor, not me. Okay? Go to the hospital and get yourself treated. Which one is fever? It's fever, obviously, yes, it's fever that you have, not love sickness. What are you even saying? Are you going to get yourself treated or not? No, I can't come. I cannot come. That is because I have a business meeting. Okay, you can call it the dinner meeting. Yeah, I have a dinner meeting, so I can't come. Who are you trying to blackmail right now? You're trying to blackmail me emotionally? Never. Please. I'll call you back. I'll have to call you back.
Who is that? Is that Terry?
Can you imagine? This is one trying to blackmail me with sickness. He said he's sick and he needs me to come nurse him. Like, is it me that he needs or going to the hospital?
Don't tell me you're to timing with these guys. Like, you want to keep the both of them.
Yes, now. I can actually have two. I can actually have the two. Money and love at the same time.
No.
No, who says I can't?
You can't, because these things are coming from two different men. Look, girl. It can only be possible if it's one guy. But these are two men. You can't have everything. Terry represents love and Mike represents money. You have to choose. You have to make your choice. You have to ask yourself which one makes you happy, which one will not make you miserable. Like, you have to really ask yourself, sit down and ask yourself question, which one will make you more happier and not miserable. You need to make your choice. You know, like you have to choose one person, girl. You have to think, choose one.
Here we go. Life is lifing. I finally got the opportunity to have the chance of meeting my famous. The opportunity I've been longing for, to say goodbye, forever goodbye to poverty. I'll stay with Terry who might actually be the only man that will love me in this life. So bless him.
Should I go for the money? Or should I go for love?
Good morning, boss.
You stood up last night. You kept me standing for 3 hours. You didn't bother to call me to let me know you couldn't make it.
I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional. Something came up in my of life and death. I had to attend to it immediately. I had to cancel. I'm so sorry. Please.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is fine now.
Talking about life and death, who's the person? Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, he was the one that was sick and needed to be cared for. So I had to be by his side last night.
Oh. You're so caring. I didn't even know you have a boyfriend. Must be a lucky guy. So tell me, do you love him? Do you love him?
I prefer not to speak on that right now. I don't know.
Well, it doesn't matter to me. What matters right now is for me to do everything, to do better, to take care of
To
him.
like money, blessing to like money. Brother, if you no get money, go far away, 'cause you no be aspect.
Wait, did you just deny me? Huh?
I admitted to having a boyfriend. Isn't that enough?
No, it's not enough. Loving me is enough. Look, all I am asking you is to love me. Why can't you just do that?
But I admitted to loving you. Right? I only said I prefer not to answer.
Why can't you answer? Huh? Admit it with your full chest that this is my man. Unless you still have eyes for the boss.
Terry, no, not again. Don't do that. Please. The boss this, the boss that. Why are you always going back and forth with that? The other night, you were sick. I was to go have an expensive dinner appointment with the boss. I cancelled it because of you. My actions are in line with the 3 words. You see, until I say it.
Yes, you have to say it. Say it so that him and everyone will know that I am your man. That's it.
It's a gradual thing. You don't jumpstart everything.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I will go and warn the boss to stay away from my girlfriend.
No way you are going to do that. All right? You are not going to do that, Terry. Listen to me.
Why?
If you do that, you are going to destroy your relationship and your job too.
Something needs to be done.
Can you take it easy, please?
And I have to do it.
I'm stuck in between. I was in for the money, and then don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it.
Why would somebody spend 700,000 buying just a hair?
And if you check it, it will be coconut hair though.
It's because you don't have shishi. That's why you're complaining about them.
Baby,
Yeah.
I'm a prudent spender. I
have
can't
to
spend this type of money on hair.
Have you spent any shishi before on hair?
I'm planning it to spend it on investments.
Please.
Babe.
That's my friend.
Baby.
Wait. Babe. What's going on? Did you have a fight with Terry or is this about Mike? Why are you so worried?
Wow. Wait, she's caught in between 2 friends. A driver and the boss. You see, the problem I have with smart people, they always make mistake. One mistake, and you want to eat your cake and have it. Look at you now. 2 friends.
I don't know why this your man always tries to pretend like he knows what is going on in my life. Eh?
Okay, babe.
Well, why is he pretending like he knows what is going on in my life?
What is it? What is going on with you? I really want to know. What is it?
It's really complicated. I'm quitting my job.
Ha!
What?
I got caught up in a conflict of interest.
Why do you want to quit your job? Don't tell me you're doing this. You want to quit your job because you now secure a date with Mike? Is this why you want to quit your job? You don't need your job anymore?
Not at all. As we speak right now, Terry is willing to lose his friendship of many years and his job because of me. And I don't want that to happen. This young man has sacrificed a lot already just to make me happy. He can't continue to be on the loose end all the time. I think it's time I stepped up and at least take some responsibility. That is why I am quitting my job. I've resolved to quit my job. That way, Mike won't see me anymore. And all that back and forth with toasting won't be happening. So he can secure his job. I don't want him to lose his job and his friendship all because of me. He has lost a lot already.
Are you being serious right now? Wait. Am I dreaming or this reality? Eh? So you can actually think of someone else but you. Look at this selfish girl that we all know. Eh?
Samuel, please.
I think that's Terry guy used love spell on her.
Samuel.
Imagine you loving, compromising your...
Samuel!
I want a rich guy for a driver.
Samuel, can you stop talking,
okay? No problem.
Stop talking.
For your sake, my love.
This is a serious issue here, please. This is very, very serious. Girlfriend, look, I know this is a big deal for you. I understand. It is not easy. And I'm so proud of you. But look, you have to make sure that Terry is what you fighting for. He's what you love. He's worth everything you've got. Make sure he's worth it all before you lose your dream, everything you were working for just for Terry. Okay? Just make sure he's worth it. And I want the best for you. Okay?
We'll support you, okay? Baby,
Let
come
me
now.
talk to my girl.
You know I'm worth it. That's why you are with me.
I'm stuck in between. I was in for the money and then don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it. And then I stumbled. I really wanna get my hands on material things. Then I stumbled. But love came all around, unexpected me. Then I stumbled. Should I go for love?
Listen, what is this? So you were running away and you need me to know that you were running away. Blessing, the last time I checked, the HR is there to handle resignations.
And I'm friends. And it's important to part ways amicably. That's why I'm here to say goodbye the right way.
Listen. You see, this is not just a resignation letter. It's a rejection letter. Yeah. Listen, tell me. Listen. Are you saying no to me?
So this is me telling you that I'm in love with your driver, Terry. And I'm quitting my job. Respectfully.
No one will ever believe that you return home again. I'm glad we're back. I've really missed my family. I've missed them.
Yes, it feels good to be back home. I am here to settle down and find a very interesting Nigerian woman. I've always wanted to marry a woman like my mother.
I hope you know they like money too. We're told, right?
Yeah.
Besides, who will hear Mike famous and not say yes?
Not when Mike famous is Terry the driver. Let me tell you this. I know all about Nigerian women loving money and everything, all right? I don't want a gold digger's love. Neither do I want a love that comes with conditions.
But wait. I hope you're not planning on becoming me and I become you, are you?
Well, that is what a good disguise is all about. Cheers, my friend. Come on, let's go. I have it all figured out. Why is your face like that? Come on. Wow. Oh my God, look at you. Look, let me tell you, with this look, nobody could ever think we traded places.
Are you sure about this?
Yep.
I can't easily fit into your shoes. The man makes the clothes. The clothes doesn't make the man.
And that is why you, my friend, I want you to make the clothes. Look, being in my shoes means strength and confidence. You need to be a man of few words. I need you to see and carry yourself as the ever-rich Mike Famous. Do you understand?
Oh, God. But it will not be easy. What if I can't sustain the act of being you for long?
Oh, you have to sustain the act. Because I am going to sustain the act of being a good driver to you. And I'll do that until I find the woman that is going to love me for me.
It's okay. It's fine.
Oh God, you're sweating already.
Of course, I'm tensed.
You'll be fine. Don't worry. Let's go, man.
Okay, let's do this.
And I also think she accepted because what she wants is not available. I am the available.
I see. So, what are you saying? Are you thinking about quitting the relationship because the whole essence of this disguise is to find a love not bounded by conditions?
Nope. I don't want us to quit. You know what? I actually want us to put blessing to a test. I want us to give her the desirable, which is you, Mike Famous.
I see.
Just so to know if she will stick to the available or go for the desirable.
So, in other words, you were asking me to ask your girl out, right?
You know the answer, boy.
Calculator. I see you, bro.
I never thought a day will come that I will find a woman that will give everything for me. Thank you for loving me without condition and with sacrifice.
You've done enough. I can't continue to allow you to pay the price alone.
Blessing, I am the real Mike Famous. Yes. The boss you're used to is actually my best friend and driver, Terry. I am so sorry for hiding my identity from you. That's because I've been looking for true love. We had to switch positions for me to become the driver. Blessing. I knew you were in search of Mike Famous. I knew you were in search of Mike Famous. But I did what I did because it felt good. And selling that expensive gift and giving me the money, I realized you were a gold digger with conscience. And I promise you that I will love you and do everything and anything for you. Don't worry. I'm Mike Famous.
search of my quest for wealth, would have lost a man who is best for me. I mean, wealth himself, without even knowing. Thank you for loving me.
It's okay.
Thank you for not judging me.
Come here.
Yeah, I love you.
You done?
When that is how I lost all the money.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh my goodness.
Look, I searched everywhere. The police, everybody. We couldn't find this guy.
Could you imagine?
Luckily for Oh.
Welcome here.
Thank you.
So, boss.
Ladies first, right?
Well, you're my boss. You're my boss.
Is this for me or
No,
lady?
that's
Oh,
for
this
you,
is
my
mine.
boss.
Okay.
That's for her.
All right.
Don't worry, let me serve my lady.
It's fine. It's fine.
Right.
Wow. For you?
Wow.
So cheers to
Make it toast.
togetherness, to happiness,
And
to wealth,
and love.
and love. Cheers.
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 Yes.
Wait. Baby. There's something in my drink.
There's something in your drink?
What could that be?
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Woo woo.
Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, baby.
I didn't even say anything.
I love you too.
Now I'm feeling lonely. You don't have to left out.
Really?
Boss, I'm left out.
Really?
Oh, baby girl, come here. Come here. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Wow, you guys planned it. Baby.
Congrats, boss.
Thank you so much.
Finally.
Yeah.
It is done.
It's official. We have a wedding to plan.
Yes, exactly. And I don't want to drag your space. You're the best one, right?
Yes, of course.
But
No,
chief
you know.
planning committee, me.
It's fine. But I'm the best man. No one takes
Okay,
it.
guys, I don't want to ruin this moment.
Boy,
I
it's allowed.
I would like you guys to join me, apologize to this wonderful woman. I've wronged her in different forms. I took advantage of her kind heart. I understand you forgiving me, but then I am still very sorry. I promise not to joke with your heart again. Moving forward, I will work very hard and take quality care of you. You don't have to spend on me anymore.
It's okay, baby. You know I always love you no matter what.
Thank you.
You have my heart, okay? Come here. Love you too.
I'm alone.
Guys,
Where is your love?
She's on the way.
We're left behind.
Don't know what to do, but I am still enjoying it. I really wanna get my hands on material things. But love came all around, unexpected me. Should I go for love or should I stick to plan? Yeah.